Justin, how confident are you that this will gamble?
It'll gamble, 100%.
Yeah. When is the gambler?
Tomorrow morning.
We know it's running.
That rock almost just took me out. We're at Leatherman headquarters right now. This is our brand new 1970 Plymouth Fury. We're about ready to head over to the Gambler event, and we got a running car. Running is kind of a loose term, but it's running.
What are we going to do along the way? What's the goal?
We're going to pick up trash. We're going to spend as much time on dirt as possible, and we're going to have a good time.
My challenge for the day, this bag's going to be overflowing with garbage. I don't know what I'm going to find, but we're going to fill it for sure.
I have faith in you.
I have faith in me too.
Yeah. Fastest engineer I ever seen.
Could be.
So if that was gravel, you'd get like 15 miles of gravel.
All right. What's the trash update, Nate?
We got some good news. Well, it depends how you look at it. Look at all these tires over here. We're going to load them up. Got the roof rack. Got our cargo net here. Let's get her done.
Yeah.
Little freaks get solve a couple issues.
We have driven approximately 50 yards since we fixed the car. Over.
That.
I just felt something under my feet.
Never mind, there's a big rock on
Oh man, our exhaust.
Couple more inches, or we're okay?
I got it.
You guys tell me, I can't see. Probably keep that rock.
The Fury got high centered on a rock, and it was like maybe 20 feet in front of the last time that we got completely stopped from our shocks breaking. So sentiment in the people in the car behind us is a little low, so we should probably take it easy from here on out.
The gearing's so tall that that's like.
The gambler, he broke even, but in his final words I found an ace that I could keep.
What's the plan for today? Where are we going?
Today we are booking it to O'Reilly's to try and fix our carburetor issue, and then we're going to go drop off all our trash because we're all loaded up, and then we're going to go mess around. Oh, hello.
I'll catch some air or what?
That hose looks like it's about to explode.
Your hand okay?
My hand's okay.
Good.
I had to take a double take. Wasn't sure if I was okay there for a second, but I am okay.
ABG.
ABG.
You know the way to Gambler Town? No.
You know, now that we got this bag of trash, are you done?
No, I mean, I think it's cool that we come here on this weekend and we spend all this time picking up trash and cleaning up. But honestly, when you're out on the trail, if you see a can or a piece of plastic or something on the trail, just pick it up. It's so easy, and yeah, just pack in what you need and pack out all your own garbage and then any garbage you find along the way, because it's our trails, it's our forest, so just keep it clean.
Always be gambling.
Always be gambling. Always be picking up.